working with LEGO Robotics and ran into an LPF file from a Power Functions project. These profiles store motor and remote configurations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening LEGO Power Functions profile files for your projects. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful LPF file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. An LPF file is a device profile for LEGO Power Functions motors and sensors used with LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 software. Users create or import these files to define the behavior and control parameters for custom hardware, enabling their robotic creations to interact with the physical world accurately. The LPF format is an XML-based file containing key value pairs that define device properties, such as motor speed, sensor thresholds, and communication protocols. This structured, text-readable design allows the MINDSTORMS software to easily parse the file and correctly interface with the hardware. We suggest testing the LPF file first with the utility LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 from the LEGO group. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows provides a basic view of configuration data, but meaningful edits require technical familiarity. To force file access, right-click your LPF file and select Open With. If LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you are still having trouble opening the LPF file, do not worry. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent LPF problem. First, opening with LEGO software. Use LEGO's Power Functions. Configuration software or compatible third-party applications, like BrickPy or BrickLink Studio, for opening LPF files. The software displays motor configurations and remote mappings, allowing review and modification of the profile before downloading to compatible LEGO Power Functions hardware components. Next, editing configurations. Open LPF files in LEGO configuration software to modify motor speeds, direction defaults, and remote control assignments. Adjust parameters to match your specific build requirements and operational preferences. Save changes back to LPF format for transfer to receivers or sharing with other LEGO Power Functions builders. Finally, migrating to LEGO Powered Up. For migration to the newer LEGO Powered Up, system convert LPF concepts manually using the LEGO Powered Up app. Document motor assignments and control schemes from the LPF file and recreate equivalent configurations in Powered Up's app-based programming environment, supporting modern LEGO motorized building systems and sensors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.